The Mishnah continues and it says that Amitrachek min hakavod, someone that keeps far from honor. He's not studying Torah for the sake of honor, but rather in order to express his love of Hashem. This way he's going to be able to learn from everyone, even people that are less knowledgeable than him. A person that wants this Keter Torah has to become a vessel, has to become a vessel. What is a vessel? All of you have heard me say, and I'm sure many other teachers say, that Avraham, Yitzchak, and Yaakov, and David HaMelech were all the ones that held up the chariot of the Torah. But Torah is nothing, it's not physical. It's not physical. It's a spiritual thing. So what does it mean, a chariot? What, is there like a horse chariot? And there's a book of Torah on it, the Chumash, March Scroll, what's on it? Chachamim explain that Avraham, Yitzchak, and Yaakov, and David HaMelech all purified themselves, became so holy that they became the vessel to deliver the Torah, Akdosha, to the world. To deliver the Shekhinah to the world. Meaning that Hashem didn't need anyone's help, per se. But someone that purified themselves, that made themselves so holy, that became a true Avdei Hashem, true servants of Hashem, true slaves of Hashem. You are the vessel I want to bring myself to the world through. You're the delivery system. You're the tube. Why? Because you are like the Torah. A person that wants to inherit this Keter Torah needs to do things that make them into a kosher vessel. So when the Torah of Shamayim wants to enter your neshama, wants to enter your body, it's not being rejected by bad midot. Because if you have bad midot, the Torah cannot enter. You may learn a few things, and you may know a few things by heart. But the Chachamim say in the Gemara, Lo b'shamayimi. This Torah that he has, that he's teaching, that is full of ga'ava, is full of pride, full of all types of things that are against the Torah, it's not from Shamayim. He just learned it like a history book. He learned it like a scholar, like from Oxford University. Not a scholar from the Bet Midrash. So a person that wants to bring the Shekhinah to his house, bring the Shekhinah to the Bet Midrash, bring the Shekhinah to his life, has to make themselves into a vessel. And one of the main things that Hashem requires from us is to stay away from things that He hates. One thing that Hashem hates is gava, pride. Toivat Hashem kol gvalev. Hashem considers anyone that's arrogant disgusting. The same way we see a dead animal in the middle of the street splattered everywhere as disgusting, that's what Hashem thinks. He also thinks it's disgusting. Just like if you're not a farm boy and you go to a farm for the first time and you smell the manure of all the animals, you think it's disgusting. Hashem thinks that pride is even more disgusting. So, when a person wants to become a pure vessel, not only is he not going to have honor, he's going to run away from it. For even if somebody wants to give it to him, he feels uncomfortable. He feels this is weird. Yeah, but you know a lot of Torah. I know a lot of Torah. What Torah? What are you talking about? Well, he just gave a 20-hour shiur. So, you know how much Torah there is? he starts realizing, where do I actually belong in the grand scheme of things? Where do I belong in the grand scheme of things? Because a real Torah scholar realizes how far he is from perfection. A person that's looking to become a kosher vessel, that can carry the Holy Torah, that can accept the Shekhinah, realizes that they are far, far, far away from perfection. Not far away that they should be depressed and let the Yetzer Hara run their life. No. But far away in a perspective where they realize they have so much more to do. What they've done, they're expected to do. And what they haven't done, they're also expected to do. You know, many people take pride in telling you the truth. Like, they say to you, tell you the truth, such and such, such. Like they make like it's a statement. It's a figure, it's a figure of speech. It's become part of people's language. No, tell me the truth. What do you think? What do you want me to tell you to lie? Or somebody told me recently something I didn't really want to hear. Something I didn't really want to hear. I said, yeah, but at least I told you the truth. And I'm thinking to myself, the rest of the day, I forgot about what I didn't want to hear, and I'm thinking about this thing the whole time. And I'm thinking to myself, wait, he's saying to me, well, at least I told you the truth. So what? He thinks that it's like he deserves a reward for telling the truth? Like you're going to get a cookie for saying the truth? It's expected for you to say the truth, for heaven's sake. That's supposed to be the default. The default is the truth. You're not supposed to get a cookie for it. You're not supposed to take pride in telling the truth. Same thing is, you're not supposed to take pride in doing what you're supposed to do. Like, you can't say, oh yeah, I studied 2 hours yesterday. Oh, chazak u'baruch. Wow, just chazak u'baruch. What do we do? Give you a party? You're supposed to. Supposed to. Oh, honey, I brought groceries. Oh, thank you. Wow, just thank you? That's it? Just thank you? What do you want me to do? A party? Oh, honey, I put the kids to sleep. Oh, thank you. Wow, just thank you? That's it? What, you think it's easy? What do you want to do? Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. Fine. But the point is that people overestimate what they're entitled to. When in reality, it's the things that we do many times are what we're supposed to do. And yes, you're supposed to show appreciation for everything. We've talked about that. Gratitude is the foundation of good. But that appreciation is for other people, not for yourself. You should appreciate and be grateful for other people's stuff, not expect other people to be grateful for you. If they are, fine. But don't say, oh, wow, that's it? You're just going to eat that pizza without saying a separate bracha for me? You said Birkat HaMazon for Hashem. What about me? I bought the pizza. You know how hard I worked to make this money for this pizza? Should have like a separate Birkat HaMazon for me, no? Sometimes people, their pride gets out of control with them. They believe you're supposed to pray for them. And this is considered disgusting. And a person that realizes how far they are from perfection and how far they are from where they're supposed to be, not only analyzes themselves and the flaws and tries to fix them, but also understands the inherent risk, the risk in accepting kavod, the risk in accepting honor from people. Because once you accept honor, you may actually start believing it. Once you start believing in it, you've already ruined yourself as the vessel of truth.